Hey everyone! Today we will have a look at some animal idioms. Are you ready? Let's begin. Dog days means very hot days. A little bird told me means somebody has told me. Curiosity killed the cat means being curious can be dangerous. The lion's share means the largest portion. Subscribe. Hold your horses means wait a minute. Play cat and mouse means engage in invasion and pursuit. Puppy love means love between teenagers. Until the cows come home means for a very long time. It's raining cats and dogs means it's raining very heavily. Like catnap means a short nap or sleep. For donkey's ears means for a very long time. A copycat means someone who does exactly the same as somebody else.
Hey! If you liked the video, make sure to subscribe and click on the bell icon. Thanks for watching. Bye-bye.